To be honest, you know, I never experienced racism in Jamaica all the years I was living there. I say, it didn't even cross my mind. Like, when I was little and my mother car back, I was driving down the hill and a little girl or a little boy yelled out to me, "White girl!" You know, it just come in like a pet name to me. And to be honest, that's how it always was. And when I get big now, and I have my own car, and I get like a flat tire, and I dip on the side of the road and come out of the car, gone in the trunk, come here, look for with Jack. And by the time me open the car back, me just see one or two cars stop, and them offering to help me, and before me know it, two tools them fix up the tire, and me go about the business. And just Jamaican people, they're warm, friendly, and full of joke. And the next thing I remember now too is nobody no go by them name and them birth certificate. Nobody at all. Them go by Alias all the while. So, like I remember some name. So one of them is Fat Man, and him doing fat, you know. And next one Germs, and next one Pressure Foot, and Pinchers and Dog Heart. You name it, they come up with some name. And if you ever hear the story of how the name stick on them, you're dead with laugh.